Hi, I'm Darius of DIY Power Couple, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a garbage disposal. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. We created this tool list for you in the description below. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shut off the water to the house. And I'm going to turn this up right here, and now the water is off in the house. So the next thing we're going to do is unplug the old garbage disposal. There we go. So I'm going to use this tool right here that has like several different parts. So I'm going to use this blue one right here to unscrew this right here. And before I do that, continue, I just want to make sure that no water is going to go anywhere. So I put this down there. So I loosen this right here. That was a 3/8, just to let you know. This has a blue 3/8. Let's see here. There we go. So that's loose. As you can see, that one's loose right there. Then there's another one on the other side that we're going to have to get. It might be in the way. Just give me 1 second to look for it. Okay. I see it now. Okay. It was on pretty tight. I'm going to twist it. Like that. Pull that off. So we might take this one off right here as well. This doesn't feel like it's on too tight. I can actually do it with my hand. Let's pull that. There we go. So it's actually off of there. I'm gonna pull this off a little bit more. This is the screw that was in there. It's one screw. It has another screw that actually can come off with my fingers, and it came off. I can pull this, and here's the rubber seal that goes inside of there. So now we're gonna take this part off. I'm gonna undo this with a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm gonna take this. Move it off. Oh. So this is the old one right here. So that was pretty easy to take off, but now we have to take off the top part.
Well, it looks kind of rusted anyway.
So I need to take this flathead, put it up here. This might take a minute to do, but it's not hard. So now I have to get this off.
Oh.
So we got that. I'm just gonna take all of the screws off. Oh, it's got a ring in there. Yeah, there's a ring. There you go. Now I should be able to pull this part off.
How rusted it is. Wait.
Yeah, that's real rusty. That's only because of the water going in there every day. If you want to go to the top of the sink, look down in the top of the sink, then you'll see, let's see here. I can now pull this part out. Right there. So I just pulled this out. So now this is out.
Looks like all the seal is gone too.
So the complete thing is out right here. We also removed the gasket and the rubber seal. Let us know in the comments, is this something you feel you can do?
Let's clean that out a little bit.
So now I'm gonna have to clean all this out. Because of the type of sink that we have and it won't scratch, we used a flathead screwdriver to remove the remaining putty. Once you're done cleaning, you can prepare for a new disposal or go back to an original standard sink drain. Now you can give yourself a hand because you're all done with removing your disposal. Welcome to the channel. We just removed this old garbage disposal and now we're going to install the new one. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install it. And my wife is also here to help with the project. So are you going to do the work today?
Yes.
Yeah, you're doing the work. Guys, she's doing the work.
And when we say we, I mean like I hand tools and hold cameras.
But I said you. I thought you were doing the work.
Yeah, that's the work I'm going to do.
You is we. You is we. That's what we're doing, right?
So stay tuned so you can see.
Okay. This is the 1/2 horsepower InSinkErator garbage disposal. Let's see how it looks and check out what comes with it. Here's the sink flange. One great tip when doing DIY home projects is to always inspect the product to make sure that you have all of your parts before you start. And this is our new garbage disposal. Here's a list of the tools you'll need for this project. I'll leave a link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. You don't want to be in the middle of a project with missing parts. You're looking at the garbage disposal elbow, 2 gasket bolts, garbage disposal wrench, and the gasket. Become familiar with the bottom of your disposal so you know where to stick the garbage disposal wrench if it ever gets congested. There's a restart. There's a restart button. And this is the power cord housing for your wires if you need to hardwire your cord. The first thing we're going to do is install the sink flange. So what I'm going to do is take this off real quick. So we have to take this off. I'm using a flathead screwdriver so that I don't hurt my fingers. Right there, took the ring off. The whole thing will come apart. And we're going to take this part and put it inside of the sink, right here.
That's where we're going to put a little putty on.
We're going to put some putty on it, underneath, putty around here. If you've got the skills to roll a flat, thin piece of putty, this is where you do it. You put plumber's putty under the sink ring to create a watertight seal between the sink and the drain assembly. It prevents water from leaking out. The plumber's putty fills any gaps between the two surfaces. And as you tighten the assembly under the sink, the putty is compressed to form a complete and durable seal. So we did it like a little flat pizza. I'm going to put this on top. A tip I learned is to have the wording facing you or the front of the sink before you tighten the sink flange. Like that. As perfect as we can. It seems kind of flat, actually. And you want it to be as flat as possible so no water goes down your drain. Just take off the first round of putty. Right there. You guys are doing a good job. On this part of the project, you can do it yourself or get help holding down the ring flange in the center of the sink. Use an old towel to protect your sink. Put this in the sink. Since my wife is behind the camera, we opted to use the old disposal as a weight. Place something heavy against the flange because you'll be pressing against it when you install the mounting ring. It's right on top of the hole. I have the ring and I have the screws. And so we have this ring. It's going to go up here first. Remember to place the sink flange parts in order. That ring. Then we have this right here. Goes next. Then we have this one, this part right here. It's very important that you remember to place the mounting ring back on, otherwise the flange will not stay together. This is an essential part of the garbage disposal installation. So once you've put the ring in position, use a screwdriver to push it in place. Take your time and relax. You can get it back on there. It's on there.
Okay. That made it a lot easier when the thing was down, huh? Okay.
Have soft fingers when using a power drill so you don't crack or break your sink. Test the flange by twisting it with your hand to make sure it's nice and snug. Maybe I should do that right now. Gonna punch that out.
If you have a dishwasher, use a screwdriver and hammer to hit the knockout plug. And remember to remove the plastic from inside the garbage disposal.
She took the hammer.
Put it between your legs and lightly tap.
There she go.
Don't forget to remove the round piece of plastic from inside the garbage disposal.
Through here. Right there.
For this part, know that I'm here with you and I'll walk you through it.
So this is the old unit that's messed up and the power cord is just kind of frayed. So we picked up a new power cord kit.
Let's take the power cord kit out of the box. It comes with a wire clamp connector for the power cord, 2 wire connectors, and a power cord. We're going to unravel this thing so we can get into it. A good tip is to twist the wire ends so it's easier to connect them.
Okay.
Use your drill or Phillips head screwdriver to open the terminal plate.
So I'm opening up the wire holder. Now this is used so that the wire doesn't get cut from the metal right here. So we're gonna open this up, make it wide enough. But I'm gonna put this on, got it connected. We open it up, we take the wire, and we're gonna stick the wire, all 3 wires as one, all the way in here. And we're gonna pull them out on the other side, right here.
Once you pull the power cord wires through, make sure they match the length of the wires on the garbage disposal. This will make it easier for you when it comes time to connect all the wires. Place the green screw inside of the green wire with the round metal opening.
Goes with the green. Gonna take it.
Then use your screwdriver to tighten it to the garbage disposal.
On here.
This is the ground wire, so make sure it's fully screwed on. Connect the smooth black power cord wire to the garbage disposer black wire. Now tighten them with an orange wire connector.
I'm gonna grab this connector. I have one of them right now connected.
From the power cord kit, connect the power supply wire with the ribs, and you can feel it, to the white wire on the garbage disposal.
I'm gonna twist them together. Gonna make sure that they're fully twisted together.
Tighten these wires with an orange wire connector.
I'm going to connect both wires right here, just like that. It's nice and tight.
Now wrap electrical tape around each individual wire set and the orange wire connector.
Now you push them down. Then you put the plate on.
Be sure to align the terminal plate with the screw hole. Then use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screw. Just make sure all the screws are tight, and look, you did it.
So it won't come off.
Good job, baby.
I'm proud of you. You just upped your DIY skills.
That part's done.
We're done with that. And I'm going to bring the unit over.
This garbage disposal may be small, but because it's made of metal, it's still a little heavy.
And
so you may need 2 hands or 2 hands and a little help. The goal here is to lift the disposal, align its mounting tabs with the ramps on the mounting ring, and lift it into place until it locks firmly. One thing I learned about attaching the garbage disposal to the metal bracket that may help you is to lift it up on the open metal piece and twist upwards. Think of it like twisting up a slide at an angle. This is what you want to do, but the side openings should be facing the PVC pipes so you can connect the garbage disposal. Now all we have to do is connect the dishwasher pipe, gasket, and rubber seal to the garbage disposal. If you don't want water all over your sink floor, hand tighten the gasket bolts, then use a nut driver to make sure they're really tight. And it's always a good idea to tighten your plumbing before you leave the area. You don't want any water surprises.
This is all tight.
In the
This is tight.
the disposal itself,
What about it?
that is tight.
I mean, it's as tight as I can get it.
Okay.
This might seem obvious, but I want you to plug in your garbage disposal before the next step. Now it's time to test everything out to see if there's any leaks.
Put water first.
Adding water.
You may want to physically touch the pipes to check for leaks.
I don't see any drippage. So that's good. We're testing running water down the drain. And then we're gonna see if...
So now, you want to turn it on? See if it works?
I'm really thankful because we didn't feel or see any leaks.
The valve in the back.
While we were under the sink, we also replaced all of the shutoff valves in this older home. There were no leaks and everything turned out great.
Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too. And we'll see you in the next video.